Hi y'all, good morning. Taking a quick trip to Owerri today. I'm actually an hour late because I intended to leave my house at 9 a.m. but it is to 10 and I've not showered. I've not even packed. But yeah, I'll make it before 12. I should be out of this house. What delayed me was editing. I don't want to go with my laptop, so I had to edit a video for tomorrow. So while on my way back, I will just post it. So yeah, I'm coming back tomorrow. I'm going to Owerri to see Marlies and also see my uncle and my auntie. I'm just going to see a bunch of people. Let's pick up a bunch of things from her, things that Bae sent, things that she said she got, and some things that I bought as well. I'm about to pack. I'm all over the place, but yeah, see ladder. Climbed up there to take a box. So this is the box I'm going with. I know it's overnight, but the things I'm going to pick up are quite much, so I will be traveling light, but while coming back I will fill them with the things I'm going to pick up. So let's just pack quickly, okay?
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Taking just, and it went like. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like she's whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
I have reached. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Oh, I'll just chill here for a bit and then go home. Just to let you all know that I've reached. The lighting here is bad ahead. This is better. So getting here, I asked the bus guy. I told him where I was going to, so he dropped me at a junction and told me to cross and use a bike. I mean, I'm scared of entering bikes, so I entered Keke, charged me 500 naira, which I know that he used my head. There's no way that guy did not charge me over, but it's fine. He now dropped me here, so I'm here. I'll talk to you later. I'm about leaving. You guys, I came with this small box to pick up things, and then I'm going with my box filled up and this one. I'm going to get the Ghana must go to transfer everything. So I came here to pick a lot of things, like I told you also. When I get home, I will do a haul. I don't know if I'll do it in this video or another video. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So she can say hi now.
Everywhere my glass.
Finally on my channel. So they're going to drop me now, and I had a good time. Yeah, this lighting is better. Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. eat. I already started digging actually. This is ofe salad and eba.
Talking to myself cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired.
Hey y'all, good morning. It's Sunday and I'm about to go shower. It's almost 11. We came out for mass this morning, so it's what's the word? Online service. I even forgot, if not, I'd woken up early, so I quickly brushed my mouth and just went with my PJs. I'm really having a good time here. I don't even want to go back to Port Harcourt, to be honest. If I can bring everything I have going on in Port Harcourt here, I won't want to go back because the air is clean. I woke up this morning, no black soot in my nose. Everything is just clear. I'm tired of Port Harcourt, to be honest. But yeah, that's the update. I'm just looking at my bag. You guys, I came with just this small box, but see the big Ghana Moscow I'm going with. A lot of goodies are inside. When I get back to Port Harcourt, I'll probably do like a quick haul, just show you all what I got, what Marlies gave me, what Bay sent to me, and a bunch of other things. So yeah, I'll end the vlog afterwards. Let me go and shower so I can go downstairs for breakfast. I plan to leave around 12ish, 1, not so early like yesterday, so I can get to Port Harcourt between 3:30. So I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Yeah, we're on back. Right. Check all those things. On our way back home into the park. Bye, Owerri. I don't want to go. I have to.
What I want, but I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that I'm
Hey y'all,
looking
I'm
for?
back home. Thank God for Johnny Mercies. My room is a mess, but before I clear it up, I just want to show you the new things I got because there are a whole lot. My table is filled up. My rug here is filled with clothes. So let me just show you all the things. Let me start with rugs. They sent me pain relief capsules. Ideally, I use Aleve, but they said Aleve is really not good. So this is a milder option. It equates pain reliever. And then he got me my biotin capsules, hair, skin, and nails. Like, I appreciate this so much. Sent me 3 prescription, not prescription, they are frames. So I'll go and put my prescriptions on there. Let me just wear them sharp and show you. So see this one as the case, and the glasses is so cute, very modern and beautiful. I'll take it to the optician to put my frames. This is what this one looks like. I love it. This comes in purple and it's so cute, so cute. This is in green color. So this is what it looks like close up. The handles have like what they call this in leopard. Is this leopard? I don't know what this is. Leopard skin actually. Yeah, this is what the frames look like. It's so beautiful. This is the same as the last one but in a different color. So beautiful. Thank you, baby. And then I got this, another casing for my laptop. I got it from Amazon. You know, I have an Amazon link. I have an Amazon storefront. So you can just go there. It's in my description box. I linked it below. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. It's so pretty and very girly. and it comes with keyboard cover. You guys, I'm so tired. I don't even know what I'm saying. Yeah, that's that with that one. There's still a lot of things to show. Okay, so these are from Marley. She gave me Shine and Jam, and then this bunny body butter. Beautiful. I love the color. All these are for vacation. And yeah. Okay. She also gave me wet ones for toilets and stuff, and then she gave me face wipes. This one. I'm just trying to show you all the accessories first. Oh yeah. So I have a bag full of beauty supplies. This bag they sent. It's a bath bag, and then he sent me my roll-on. Show you. Yeah, he sent me 2 roll-ons from Old Spice, which is one of my favorite brands when it comes to roll-ons. And okay, these are from Marley's. They are Bath and Body Works new scents. Pink Pineapple Sunrise. This is the bath wash. This is the body spray. And this is the body cream. She also added this body cream as well. Fabric spray. So you can spray it on your bed sheets, your towels, just for that fresh scent. And this is a downy wrinkle remover. Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. This is the Berries by Juvia's, and this is what the colors look like. And same bag, she gave me a lint roller. This is a travel size lint roller. It's so beautiful. And travel size Toms. Bae got me these Toms in the big size last year. I still have it. Gave me a heat protector mist. This one is my people there. They just spoiled me so much. She gave me a battery operated toothbrush. 2 face masks. This one is in peach, while this is in peony. And then she gave me toothpaste, travel size toothpaste. Oh, she also gave me sanitary towel. Next is one of my favorite, I think I really love. It's from Bay. It's a Badly Mishka sandals. Show you guys close up. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. If you don't know Badly Mishka, they are known for bridal footwear, so it's always extra. They are bejeweled. They look really good. So pretty. This is from Marley's. It's a Nautica sneakers. White sneakers with Nautica written at the back. Beautiful. I love it. I tell you that they spoiled me. This is also from her. Thank you, sis. Thank you so much. I got this. Yeah. New. Inside this Ziploc are socks from Marley's. Even gave me hibiscus tea. Cutting rounds. I'm almost running out, so this came just in time. They got me a laptop sleeve, another one. I have a laptop sleeve. He bought me another one. Marley's gave me this Vagisil sensitive cleansing cloth. Now let's get into clothing because there are a lot. I'll just start off with anyone I lay my hands on. So Marley's gave me this cami. This white tee. Anyone that knows me knows that I live for white tees. I love them a lot. She sent me this dress, this vacation dress that I cannot wait to wear. The color is so vibrant and it's just a maxi dress. Very fashionable, very beautiful. So it's a maxi dress from her. I can't wear anything, please. I'm too tired. Please not expect any triumph from me. Bae sent me this jumpsuit. Like, I don't know where to be keeping my things again because these people want to throw me out of the house. I was telling him the other day, I said, you want to throw me out of the house with too much clothes. I definitely have to do like a closet sale soon and give out some too. He also bought me this top. Beautiful. He also got me these jumpsuits. He likes me wearing jumpsuits, so he always gets me lots of them. Marley's bought me a bunch of Victoria's Secret pants and H&M pants. I can't show you people. They don't see how my pants looks. They got me this biker shorts. Beautiful, very thick. I can't wait to wear it because if you know me, you know that I like to show my legs. Sister Marley's got me this dress. Beautiful. She also got me this Lee shorts. Beautiful. They got me this dress. Very nice. Definitely my type of thing. So beautiful. Shorts, free dress. And Stamarley's got me this leggings. It's a very thick leggings. It's like a shapewear leggings. See, and it has these things that shapewears have. Now she got me this. They got me this 2-in-1 play suit dress type of thing. And this is what the back looks like, and in front it has, you can see the shorts speaking through. Then the dress. They also sent me this play suit. Yeah. Got me this dress too. This dress looks so good on me, and I love it so much. I love the color. I love everything about it. This one also got me this dress. Marley's got me this white dress. It comes with a belt. This is definitely for church. Yeah, they got me these white pants. Very beautiful white pants. It has glitters on it. Let me come close. Yeah, I don't know, can you see? Yeah. So it looks like so pretty. Yeah, that's it with everything. I can't even believe how much stuff I have now. Like how much new stuff I have. I'm not buying anything anytime soon, to be honest. See my table filled with clothes. This area filled with beauty products and stuff. I can't even be mad at YouTube, to be honest, because I've met the best people on this space. Like the people that their relationship will last a long time, like a lifetime actually, from this space. So yeah, thank you so much. I really don't have the words to say how I truly feel, to be honest. So yeah, that's it with this vlog. I need to go shower now, and I'll probably since tomorrow. I'm tired. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.
Better, make her feel better, and that's where she'll go.